Lightweight, large-capacity baby laundry hamper with a folding lid that won't fall in. Soft padded handles for easy lifting and moving. Folds flat for easy storage. Laminated interior material wipes down easily. Collapsible laundry hamper measures 21.5 x 13 by 13. Top reviews from the United States. Love this hamper. It's perfect for having addition to any nursery or child's room, and it works for adults too. It holds a lot of laundry, which most mommies can attest to. Toddlers make a lot of it. It's easy to clean and doesn't smell. I use it for both my clothes and my boys'. It's lightweight even with clothes in it, and it is very easy to carry to a laundry room. It also folds if you ever don't have laundry and need it out of the way. Not sure what a day like that would be, but if you're single or have no kids around, you may know. A plus on this hamper all around. Just wish I had found it sooner.